Monsters After Dark. First off, this is one of our favorite rides in Disney California Adventure, the Monsters After Dark. It makes it really fun and festive for Halloween. But no, there's a lot of flashing lights, there's a lot of up and down. Even as you're walking, there's a lot of darkness. So if you have any of those issues with photosensitivity, photophobia, or not being able to see very well, or get vertigo, this ride is not for you. It is not kid and granny friendly. It is more for adults and teenagers, people that want the thrill. So it goes up and down a lot. This is a pretty good ride for tall people. I'll show you in a minute where we are for Legroom. But until then, enjoy the ride.
And the doors open towards you.
Rated part of the floor.
Oh, what are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here. Wait. Don't get out of here. I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found this tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
My husband is 6'4", and you can see there's 1 to 2 inches of legroom in front. This is the front of the ride. If you need more than that, ask for the back row, especially in those middle seat back row, because there is extended legroom there. And if you're a little wider in the hips, back row is a great spot too, because the seats are slightly wider. Any of the other seats are quite wide, but if you do need that extra space, ask for that back row.
Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious.
Please gather your personal belongings.
Spit that out, it's not candy.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more Disney fun.